is 6 months ago. She graduated 6 months ago. I have 3 children, all girls. Nice. Thank you, Chandu. Thank you. I think your mom and dad is same of my age because you are same of the age of my eldest. How old your mom and dad? No, Chandu, how old your mom and dad? I think you are same age because your age is same of mine too. 3 people, thank you so much. So I have 6 sons. Thanks a lot. Much appreciated, guys. Thank you. My dad is retired now. He is around 47, 48. Oh, very early. He is early retirement. Your dad is early retirement, yeah. He's still young. My mother working for Lady Owner Personal Helper. She is 45. Oh, okay. All your parents, they are young. And your father also still young, no? Oh, very young, your mom, 45 years old. He retired because I am starting working. Yeah, yeah. He turned, he gave you that job that is supposed to be for him. Yeah. So it's good. At least your papa will take a rest, yeah. But he's young, Chandu. He's very young, 47. And your mom also, she's young, 45. My lady owner said that she will send me a gift to her daughter on her wedding to work as helper. Oh, that's good. So when they will married? When this marriage party? Oh my goodness, it's windy. This year November, still far. Still how many months? It takes how many months? Still very far. Okay, my owner is going. All right, Chandu, thank you so much. I will end also because I'm gonna go to work. Take care and have a nice day. God bless you. Nice to talk to you. Thank you. Thank you, Jano, Chandu. Thank you, G. Bless you and your family. Thank you very much. Oh my God. It's fall down there. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I'm gonna go to work also. It's windy here. Bye guys. Thank you so much. I will end also. Bye bye.